Hey everyone, today we're not just leaving Earth. We're not even stopping at the edge of the sun. We're going way, way beyond, to a place so distant, so mysterious, and honestly, so terrifying you won't believe it even exists. Neptune, the blue giant sitting quietly on the edge of our solar system. To most people, it's just a dot, like Saturn or Uranus. But the truth? Neptune isn't just a planet. It's a swirling gate of gas, storms, and darkness, hiding secrets that not even science fiction could have predicted. Winds faster than bullets, storms that could swallow an entire city in under a minute, temperatures way, way below freezing. And then there are the strange signals, unexplained anomalies that scientists still can't figure out. Mysterious energy spikes, magnetic fields behaving like they're hiding something. Why Neptune? Why do scientists say it's one of the most mysterious planets in the solar system? In this episode, we'll explore the beauty and wonder of Neptune, its moons, its shimmering atmosphere, the literal diamond rain falling from its skies. But then, slowly, we'll descend into the other side, the dark side, the part that'll make you think twice before ever dreaming of space travel. So buckle up. This journey to Neptune, it's not just full of mind-blowing facts. It might actually change how you see the entire universe. Ready? I'm Adam, and this is your channel, Valley of Knowledge. Let's go. The hidden wonders of Neptune. Now that we know we're about to dive into one of the most mysterious planets in the solar system, we got to ask a simple question first. How do we even know anything about a planet as far away as Neptune? The answer is both simple and shocking. We've only visited it once. Just once. Back in 1989, the spacecraft Voyager 2 zoomed past Neptune at lightning speed. It snapped pictures from about 5,000 kilometers away. After that, no probe, no satellite has come close since. All we know about Neptune mostly comes from that quick flyby, plus some Earth-based telescopes, and more recently, the Hubble and James Webb Space Telescopes. So what I'm about to tell you is a mix of solid science and some unexplained eerie stuff. Let's start with the wonders. 1. Neptune, the planet that rains diamonds. Yeah, seriously, not a joke. Scientists discovered that Neptune, like its cousin Uranus, has an atmosphere made mostly of hydrogen, helium, and a ton of methane. Down deep under crushing pressure and crazy temperatures in some layers, something wild happens. Carbon atoms break apart and begin to form crystals that over time turn into diamonds. So right now, as we speak, there are literally diamond rains falling from the skies of Neptune. But sadly, even if you were there, you wouldn't be able to touch them, because the pressure that forms the diamonds is enough to crush any spacecraft or human body. 2. Winds faster than sound. Neptune is the only known planet with winds that reach terrifying speeds, over 2,100 kilometers per hour. That means if a Boeing plane flew against the wind there, the wind would actually push it backwards. It's not just terrifying. It tells us something deeper. There's a huge internal energy source inside Neptune, powering these storms and whirlwinds. What's crazy is, Neptune is the farthest planet from the sun, so it doesn't get enough heat energy from sunlight. So where's this energy coming from? No one knows for sure. 3. The Great Dark Spot, the Eye of the Storm. When Voyager 2 passed by Neptune, it found a massive storm called the Great Dark Spot. This storm was literally the size of Earth, moving at crazy speeds, forming and disappearing in ways scientists don't fully understand. The creepy part? Within a few years, that dark spot vanished completely, only for another one to appear somewhere else. It's like something behind the curtain is moving these storms, or maybe the planet itself is trying to hide something. 4. Neptune's moons. Dark tales in the shadows. The most famous moon of Neptune is Triton, and this isn't your regular moon. It orbits Neptune in the opposite direction to the planet S rotation. This is a strong sign that Triton didn't originate with Neptune. Scientists believe it was once a small planet in the Kuiper belt, and Neptune's massive gravity kidnapped it. But the weirdness with Triton isn't just its orbit. This moon is geologically active, with icy geysers suddenly erupting, shooting huge plumes of gas and ice tens of kilometers high. Why? Still unknown. And even stranger, its surface is frozen solid, but at the same time, it has volcanoes made of ice. It's like the moon is breathing or trying to send signals from deep beneath its surface. So far, everything we've talked about is the exciting, mysterious side of Neptune, but there's more stuff that actually makes scientists suspect Neptune might be the most unnatural planet in the solar system. In the next part of this episode, we're diving into the things that really stir up fear, the weird distortions in its magnetic field, radio signals with no explanation. And the biggest question, could there be something beneath Neptune, something unnatural, something driving it from the inside? Are you ready to continue the journey? Because in part 2, I'll take you deeper, stranger, and to the scariest point in space. So stick with me. The scary side of Neptune. In the first part, we saw Neptune's mysterious and amazing face. Storms, diamond rains, captured moons, and that was just the beginning. Now we're moving to the place where anxiety starts, not just mystery. What you're about to hear is based on research, analysis, and sometimes signals even scientists can't explain, and that's the key point. Focus up, because what's coming might change how you think about planets altogether. Enter Neptune's magnetic field. Totally weird behavior. Every planet in the solar system has a magnetic field. Earth shields us from solar winds. Even Saturn and Jupiter have huge, organized fields. But Neptune, its magnetic field is messed up. Not only is it tilted at 47 degrees off its rotation axis, but its center isn't even in the planet's core. Imagine a magnet coming from somewhere outside the heart of the planet. This causes very strange behavior. The magnetic field flips, changes, and acts randomly from time to time. Why? No one really knows. This has led some scientists to theorize about internal activity or an unusual core inside Neptune. Is there some unknown material or reaction happening in Neptune's heart? Or is there something even deeper affecting its magnetic field? 2. Radio signals. Where are they coming from? More than once, Earth-based radio telescopes picked up shortwave signals coming from Neptune's direction. Not huge like pulsars, but repetitive, mysterious, and from an unknown source. These signals don't come from the planet's surface, as entirely gaseous and not from known moons like Triton. There's some internal source broadcasting periodically. Scientists call them periodic magnetic patterns, linking them to magnetic field fluctuations. But the problem is, some signals come in strange frequencies like a code. Is this just natural interference? Or could it be some activity we haven't discovered yet? Some hypotheses say unique materials might produce these signals. Others go further and say it could be artificial signals, but no proof. What's certain, Neptune is sending out space sounds, and that's a fact. 3. What's hidden in the atmosphere? Neptune doesn't have a solid surface like Earth. It's a gas giant, meaning if you dive in, you keep sinking and sinking and sinking. But scientists believe that at some point, deep inside Neptune, thousands of kilometers down, the pressure and temperature get so extreme that hydrogen turns into a strange state called metallic hydrogen. This state isn't just rare, it acts like a liquid metal conducting electricity, which might explain Neptune's weird magnetic field. But there's a scarier theory. Deep inside Neptune, there could be a dynamo core spinning insanely fast, pushing energy waves outward. If that's true, Neptune isn't a quiet planet, it's boiling inside, possibly with unstable reactions that could affect the whole planet suddenly. 4. Could there be life there? I know this sounds wild, but hear me out. Scientists say the closest chance for life isn't on Neptune-ES surface because it doesn't have one, but maybe on some of Neptune-ES moons. like Triton, especially if there's an underground ocean. But a stranger, farther-out hypothesis has popped up in some new studies. What if Neptune's internal environment supports a totally different kind of life? Not the creatures we know, but life based on gases or even without traditional organic material. Could there be life forms based on methane or ammonia? This isn't sci-fi. These are real studies about extraterrestrial biochemistry. And the creepy part? If such life exists, we wouldn't just fail to detect it. We might not even be able to recognize it. 5. A planet that challenges human understanding. What makes Neptune scary isn't just the storms, winds, or isolation. What's scary is that it reflects how little we know about the universe. We look at Neptune from afar, unable to tell if it's just a cold, giant planet or something else entirely, something breaking the physics rules we know. This makes us ask, could Neptune be the boundary, the place beyond which the universe starts to behave differently? Is Neptune a gateway to deeper understanding of the solar system, or just the tip of a much bigger, unfathomable mystery? In conclusion, when beauty is scary from afar, Neptune looks calm blue, shiny, beautiful, like a celestial gem. But the truth, that beauty hides a planet that challenges everything we know. Amid all the storms, fog, and strange signals, Neptune tells us one thing: there's still so much we don't know about the universe. I'm Adam, and that was our journey to Neptune from Valley of Knowledge. If you liked the trip, don't forget to hit like and subscribe, because the next journeys are stranger, deeper,